Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. You might notice a smoky haze in the sky in this video. Smoke from wildfires burning in northern Canada has drifted into the area. It's something many parts of Canada experience during the summer months. Welcome to Havilland, Ontario, a small community located along the shores of Lake Superior, about 30 kilometers north of Sault Ste. Marie. Havilland is known for its peaceful beaches, quiet cottages, and beautiful views of the lake and surrounding forests. Havilland is also close to Batchewana Bay and is a popular stop for visitors driving along Highway 17, part of the Trans-Canada Highway. The shoreline here offers calm, shallow waters, making it a great place for swimming, paddling, or just relaxing on the beach. The rugged beauty of Lake Superior is always on display, with weathered rocks and pine trees lining the coast. In the fall, the hills around Havilland come alive with stunning colors, attracting photographers and nature lovers alike. There is a quiet charm to this area, with small resorts, cabins, and roadside diners that make you feel right at home. Whether you're here for a summer getaway or simply enjoying the drive along the lakeshore, Havilland is a peaceful place that invites you to slow down and enjoy nature. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Havilland, Ontario. Thanks for watching.